Evening folks, how are you? Nick here, welcome back to the channel. Hope you've enjoyed the content so far. Remember to subscribe and to click like if you enjoy the video. But I'm on an afternoon evening shift today. It's been all go this afternoon, so I haven't had a chance to do any filming yet. But I'm on an older coach today, old urban bus. It's an MAN 16223, and these were the mainstay of the urban fleets here in Dunedin for some years, before we moved more into the Volvos. But they're a good little urban bus. They're a good shape, they're nice and low to the ground, easy to pull in close to buildings at the bus stops. So really good vehicles, just not quite as plush as the Volvos that I've been driving lately. But so we view of the engine bay here. So just while we've got a wee break at the terminus, we'll just have a wee look at the belts, make sure they're all nice and tight. Yep, they're good. We've got the dipstick here. I won't pull that out at the moment because I don't want to get grease all over my hands. And the radiator there, but nice tidy wee motor. Now these MANs in the GoBus Fleet are Designline built buses, Ashburton, New Zealand. Really big overhang at the front, bike rack on the front there, pretty standard stuff. These older ones have got the orange display for the routes, and this is 39 seated and up to 22 standing when at full capacity, and we are actually moving from level 2 restrictions this evening in New Zealand, so as of tomorrow we'll be able to load these right up. Quick wander up. So 2008 model, this one. Fleet number 3339. And just a quick little view of the dash area. So all analogue versus the more digital displays we've seen in some of the newer buses lately. But nice and simple, they do what they're supposed to do, and quite a good zippy little bus for around town. Anyway team, I'll leave it there for now. Thanks again. Look, I really appreciate you guys supporting the channel, and thanks to all my new subscribers, and we'll have a chat again soon. See you later, bye. Evening folks, how are you? Thanks for watching, and I'm still on the road. I've had a break. I'm on the late shift tonight, on to about 10:45 PM here in New Zealand time. So I've changed buses. I was in the MAN earlier on. I'm now in a bus you'll be quite familiar with now from if you've been watching my videos, the 2017 Kiwi bus built Volvo B7R, and the more I drive these buses, the more I like them. I like the Designline Volvos as well, ergonomically, but these ones just are so plush, so well put together. I really enjoy driving these Kiwi bus built Volvo B7s. Very, very smooth. So it's a bit dark outside, but I will do a walk around just to give you a bit of a comparison from the MAN I was in earlier, so the old versus the new. But as you can see, quite different dash area, much more modern. And if I just turn the key here, you'll see the digital displays come up. So much more advanced technology. Much bigger, heavier vehicle too. But we'll just do a wee walk around. So I'm up at the halfway bush terminus, for those of you familiar with Dunedin. For those of you who are not, we're up in the hill suburbs. Many of Dunedin's suburbs are in fact on the hill. That's actually a bit dark to see that engine there, so we'll just keep on walking. But you would have seen quite a bit of the engine bays in my previous videos. So 42 seated, 13 standing on the Kiwi bus built Volvo B7s. Again, you would have heard that information in some of my previous videos, but hey, look, that's it for me now, folks. I'm not sure what I'm going to be doing tonight, if I'm going to do more filming or not. So in case I don't, I'll say farewell for now. And again, thanks to you all for watching and supporting my channel. I really appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you do so you don't miss out on any future content. Remember to click like if you've enjoyed the videos, and I'll look forward to catching up with you guys next time. Cheers, see ya.
At the back, just check when you get to work for your brakes that there is one of those two buses that's sitting in the front row. You do. Okay, so I'll copy that.
Folks, me again. I just we've got any passengers on board, and we've got Jordan Cleaver on board with us, bus and train photographer and film extraordinaire, filmmaker extraordinaire. He's going to film me just having a wee drive down the hill. So I've got the saloon lights on, so you can actually see the bus on the inside. So I'll just let you guys enjoy the drive down to the bottom of the hill.